So we've been able to implement the upload, but this is only just single files. Let's see how we can implement multiple files to be uploaded with just one request. So how we're going to do that is, first of all, we're going to go to the app.view and we're going to increase the number of parallel uploads. I'm just going to say let's say 3. Limit number of files the user uploads, so let's say 3. So you can upload 3 files and we're going to try and run a parallel upload of 3. So what I'm going to do here, let's see, let's comment some of this out. I'm going to comment all of this actually. Come down here and see multiple file upload. So first thing is to turn it to an array. So normally if it's just 2 files, it's going to be an array, but if it's 1, it's not going to be an array. So what I'm going to do, I'll say if it's not an array. So in case of 1 file, I'm going to kind of like force it to be an array. So let's just add the, let's call it files now, because we assume it's more than 1. Okay, so if it's array, if it's not array, we're going to make it an array. So I'm going to say files and just make that an array and say is equal to files. So this is going to turn, let's say just 1 file, it's going to make that an array. So when we're done with that, we're going to loop through the array. So I'm going to create a for loop. I'll just quickly do this. Say count of I is less than count. So I'm going to count array in files. And I'm going to increment the value. So let's say file, singular, files. So file is going to be singular of the files we're getting. And we're just going to run like the same thing here. I'm just going to say file name is equal to just the same thing we have here. Paste that here. Where is my file? So I can say file name, just copy this. So for each file we get the original name and we kind of strip out any spaces we have, and just like we did before, let me just copy all of this here. We store the file in a folder called uploads using file name, and I guess that's just it. What we do, I think that's all. Let's just get rid of this path because I'm not gonna use it. So when this is done, I'm just gonna return a response, just like we have before. Just save time and just copy this. Paste and save. Says file uploaded. So let's try that out. Okay, let's 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we have let's see, what did I miss? Okay, so I forgot to add this, and let's see. Go back to, let's add this so we can have multiple files. One request, so let's get rid of that. I'll select the 3 of them. So we have just one request and you can see they're all uploaded. let's see our files. In fact, I'm going to try different files this time just so that we are sure we're not just having the same files. So let's pick let's pick these other 3 files. So we have just one request, and if we check, let's check our upload folder. We have those guys here. You can see them. So the next video is going to be the concluding part of this series, where I show you how to append the values of the input fields along with your files. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos, and if you have any questions, please leave in the comment sections and I'll do my best to answer all your questions. So see you in the next video.